Welcome to Redink Tutorials. This time I want to show you a number of small but very handy helpers that are built into Redink for Word. I want to start with a situation that we often have is that we have two paragraphs or a set of paragraphs in the same document that we need to compare with each other. Usually you have to save them into different documents and basically then compare it with a separate tool. We have built something in like that. You just simply select both of them and we then go into Word Helpers self-compare selection, and you can then basically see what has changed. You see it in here. Indemnification shall not be subject to liability limitations. This was added up here. So that's the delta. In 1 or 2 clicks, you get that. You can also go and through the Word helpers have the two current documents compared with each other. So if you have two documents open, then you can actually say, I want them to be quickly compared with each other. You don't need to save them and compare them externally. It will just do this on the spot. This is one thing. The other thing is to get documents in PDFs handled. We have a number of PDF functions in there in the Word helpers. One is to basically import text files into this Word document. And this is, of course, interesting if it's not a Word document, but if it's a PDF and you want to have it read into it, even if it's not, if it's just a scanned document. So you go and say import text file, and you can also use many other files, PowerPoints, etc. And you basically pull it into here. You will be asked whether you want to preserve the formatting, and we say yes, and it is now extracting the information from this document via OCR, which is done by the model. This is how this document looks like. It has tables in it, and this is what we want to use basically in this form, and we will now see what is done. And here it is. It has basically inserted the whole thing with the tables that we wanted to have. And we can now basically use it on this basis. You could also now go and select this and tell the AI through Freestyle, for example, to do something with it. You could also use Freestyle to import the document and say, basically, look, here is a table in this PDF. I want this table to be shown in a different way, or a text to be generated based on the table. So you can do many different things. You just have to provide the information to the AI in a particular. But we have some more features. I have here a feature that may help you in a situation where you get these type of documents. Now, not this one particularly, but a situation where you cannot select the text in here. So you just have it fixed, for example, on a PDF that was scanned, but you cannot go and get it. You open it, you could go and do an OCR. This takes some time. The much easier way is that you go and basically create a screenshot of it. I've pressed Shift Windows S, and now I go and simply select the part that I want to have inserted in my text. I've created the screenshot, and now in the Word helpers, I go and choose the Word helper that is clipboard to text. The same one also exists in Outlook. There you can use it as well. And now we have inserted it automatically, quickly, and you can edit it. You can also use this for videos, for audio files, then it will transcribe the document, and this will help you drastically in practice. You could also go and basically copy a file to the clipboard and have it transcribed. There are some other features in the Word helpers. If you look at them, these other features are I will show that to you here. These other features are, for example, doing, what do we have here? Flattening PDFs to images and converting them to TXT files. So if you have a large number of PDFs that you want to use with the AI and you do not want to OCR them every time you use them, then it's better to have them converted to a TXT file, to a text file, to a simple text file, or a markdown file, which is the format that AI models know best. You can have this batch converted, so you can give 100 files and say, now convert them to me. Then we'll go through each other of these files and convert them. It can be PDFs, it can be mails, it can be images, can be other stuff. You can use the word helpers to stamp PDF exhibits intelligently based, for example, on their file name or so. You can also have PDFs split in separate parts. So let's assume you get 20 exhibits in one PDF file. You can ask then Redink to split them into 20 different exhibits based on their content. So AI is used to find out where there's an exhibit start and where does it end. And we have here some other features that may be helpful. They were all described in the manual. And this concludes it for this video, and we will see us in the next video. Have fun with writing.